Free crypto card. One trick equals get it instantly. No bank account needed. I tried it myself. And honestly, I didn't expect this result. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to get this crypto card for free, and whether it actually works or not. I tested everything, from creating the card, to using it for real payments. So don't skip, this is important. Getting a crypto card is actually very difficult, especially in India. Most apps don't work properly, have hidden charges, or sometimes, they are just fake, and that's risky, because it's your money. So I found this app called Pokepay. They claim, free crypto card, instant access, no bank account needed. Sounds crazy, right? So I decided to test it myself. Let's see how it works. Step 1. Create your account. Scan this QR code and the Pokepay page will open. Scroll down on that page and you will see a place to enter your email. Enter your Gmail ID there. Then click on Get Code. A verification code will be sent to your Gmail. Copy the 6-digit code from your email and paste it on the same page. After that, click on Get It Now at the bottom. Your Pokepay page will open. You will also receive an email saying verification successful. In that email, you will see a 6-digit login password. Make sure to note it down safely. Step 2 is KYC verification. KYC means know your customer, and it helps keep the platform secure. Don't worry, it's completely free and very fast. Now, let's see how to activate KYC. First, scroll down and click Continue. Next, the document verification page will appear. Choose any one document, Aadhaar card, passport, or driving license. Then select your country in the country section. After that, click Take Photo, front side. Capture your document clearly so all details are visible. Next, you will see face verification. Click Continue. Once the face verification is completed, your identity will be verified. Now enter your first name and last name. Check your document number carefully. Also confirm that your date of birth is correct. Then click Next. Most accounts are approved within minutes. Once your account is verified, getting your virtual card is simple. Deposit $5 or more into your wallet. Your virtual Visa card activates instantly. You can even deposit crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT and convert it into spendable balance. Now the real question, does it actually work? So I tried using this card for an online payment. And it worked. Fire. Yes, the payment was successful. So this is not fake, it actually works. Let's be real, nothing is perfect. Advantages: benefits, easy to use, fast card creation, beginner friendly, so always check details before using. My honest opinion, Pokepay is actually a good option. If you want to try a crypto card for free, but don't use it blindly. Always do your own research. If you want to try it, link is in the description. If this video helped you, like, comment your doubts, and subscribe for more content like this.